Williams. The length, the wristband, and Duterte.
Julian Villano. Oh! Big boy Duterte. Public display of rejection.
Blocks.
Speaking of,
Goes to work.
at least I am the most handsome man in Inares Sports or Inares Center. As once again, great passing. Duterte going to work. Muscling his way inside, putting it in, but has it.
Ooh.
Couple of moves inside. Oh, Duterte denying that way. This will give them a 2-point lead. And Duterte muscling his way through for Coach Mark Herrera. Another look. Duterte muscling his way inside. A big boy moves for a mid-range. Oh, big boy Duterte sends that fly.